Hey everyone, Brock with Arcan RV. Going to be walking you through the 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108DS. This is the Murphy bed model, very popular with Winnebago. We'll start with the outside here. Pretty much everything's standard with Winnebago these days. Literally almost everything is standard. So you're going to have a nice one-piece fiberglass molded front cap here. Big ticket item, awesome, really looks great with the graphics designs they've came up with as well. But underneath that, as far as construction, we're going to have an astrofoil insulation that's going to walk through the entire cap here, all the way through your roof, and then down your rear wall. So it's adding that additional insulation to the trailer there. We like to consider this thing more than a 3-season unit there. Definitely going to get you into some off-season camping. I would say probably good to -8, -10 degrees there with some of the different things that they do with this trailer. So everything on the outside is going to be power. So you're going to have your power awning, you're going to have your power front tongue jack, and you're going to have your power stabilizer jacks, which are unique actually because they run on independent motors. So each jack has its own motor. What's important about that, Brock? Well, what's important is that typically you only get one motor for both stabilizer jacks, 5,000 pound load rating. You're gonna get 5,000 pound load rating on both jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back type deal. So you can actually level out your trailer with these. That's important about there. So Winnebagos are kind of built for a little bit more off-grid camping, maybe rougher territories, that kind of stuff there. They sit a lot higher. And that's just kind of really what they're built for. So they're overbuilding on some stuff there, which is great. Big pass-through compartment here. Now, in the pass-through compartment, you're always going to have a 30 amp charge controller for your 200 watt solar panel that's mounted on the roof already for you there. You're going to have your battery disconnect in there. And now new this year, they're going to have inverter prep already done there for you, which is going to be live plugs inside the trailer already wired. Basically just have to have the inverter purchased from us, preferably, and installed, and then you're going to have some live plugs on the inside there. You choose which side depending on how many plugs you need and how much power source that you need inside the trailer. So on the outside here, you're going to have side view camera prep. You're going to have rear view camera prep as well, which is awesome. That's new for 25. And then it sits on a BAL Norco frame, which is huck bolt designed. So what huck bolt design on a trailer is it's bolting instead of welding. So you think about an 18-wheeler rolling down the highway, those frames are all huck bolted. They're built to last because they're putting a ton of miles on it. That's the kind of chassis that they're putting on Winnebago, making sure it lasts there for you, which is fantastic. You're gonna have big 15-inch aluminum rims, and then you're gonna have some large, beefy Goodyear Wrangler tires on this as well, going more with that off-grid capability on the Winnebago. On every Winnebago, you're gonna get 2 water sources. Because we can't go around to the back side of this trailer, it's a little bit tight. You're gonna have a spray port here on the front side that's gonna be cold water, so you can wash off any dishes outside if you'd like. From here, then on the back side, you're gonna have a hot and cold shower as well. So 2 different sources of water on the Winnebago. JBL speakers inside and out. So again, another high-end feature on a Winnebago there. Everybody knows the name JBL, good quality name. Let's go inside the trailer and we'll check it out. So here's what I'm talking about with the Murphy bed. So you've got a couch, you quickly convert it into, oh, it's got a really tight strut bed. Now you've got your bed. Put it back up, and you've got some additional floor space again, which is nice. So on the DS's here, you've got some side cabinetry. Got a nice little area here for your phones. Just extra counter space. It's a small trailer, 22 feet, and this thing weighs roughly around 4,300 pounds. And then you got some cabinetry underneath as well here. So nice place to put your blankets, pillows, whatever you want there as well. Now, part of that that extended season camping that we're talking about with Winnebago is they do 12-volt heat pads on their holding tanks, your black, your fresh, and your gray. They got the interior switch just on here on the monitoring panel, where you can look at how full your tanks are, how empty they are, battery life, all that kind of lovely stuff on that. So inside of the DS here, so really nice dinette here. All the Winnebagos are going to have your roller shades, blackout, and a dream dinette, which can be easily converted into a bed by just flipping this lever down here and pushing down on the table. Pretty cool feature. Every Winnebago is going to come standard with a TV, regardless if you want one or not. It is just brought by the manufacturer. There's that JBL box right up here, so that's going to control it. Bluetooth as well there for you. And then they're going to give you a little charging station, charging port here for cell phones. You literally just throw your cell phone on this Connect system here. It will light up, meaning that your cell phone's going to start charging. More storage in the side here, which is awesome. You got a convection microwave here, so instead of an oven, they're giving you a convection microwave because they've took the ovens out of all these Micro Minis here and given you a very, very large pots and pans drawer. So you got a recessed stainless steel sink with your spray faucet. Nice stainless steel look here. Big sink. And then because counter space is always at a premium, you got your additional counter space here that folds into play there as well. Got a nice bank of drawers. Again, like I said, the pots and pans, and then you got a really large 12-volt, 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator here as well. So here's your bathroom. So it's just your nice shower, pretty decent size for a small trailer. And then you've got your porcelain toilet below here. What I do like about this bathroom here is that you've got kind of sideways mounted cabinetry here, so that you're giving you a bunch more cabinetry. You got your sink, you got your medicine cabinet, you got another drawer in below, and then what opens up this trailer, because it is only a 22-foot trailer, is a nice sliding pocket door. So getting rid of that door that swings to the outside or the inside, saving you space inside the trailer, which is awesome. Now, the way that the Winnebago does their floors, they use a 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floor decking. So if you're inside the trailer and the floor feels very sturdy, it's because it is. The plywood flooring it's a heavier way to build a trailer, but it is a much more solid way to build a floor. And so when they're on a tandem axle like this, they're not worrying as much about weight because it is a small trailer and they're still hitting a really good weight category for you. But Winnebago just packs a ton of punch into their trailers. Obviously, I went through a lot in a short period of time here. If you have any questions about the Winnebago product, by all means, give us a shout. We are a Flying W award winner this year as well, which is a very, very well-recognized program with Winnebago for their preferred vendor dealers. Once again, Brock with Arcan RV. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.